Hi everyone, this is Miss Al, and today I'm going to show you how you can make a little craft or decoration at home. You can make this little corn decoration just out of some beads and pipe cleaners. So let me show you what you need to do. You'll need at least 4 pipe cleaners and a handful of beads. First, with your pipe cleaners, you want to lay them right next to each other like this. And then you're going to want to twist them in the middle. So you can hold them like this. And then twist. What you're going to want to make is something like this with the pipe cleaners. And then they're twisted in the middle so they stay together. There we go. Next, you're going to put beads in every single little pipe cleaner over here. And you can use any colors that you'd like. I have some yellow, orange, white, and red ones here. All right, now when you're finished with that, what you're going to want to do is you're going to bend all of these pipe cleaners up like this. Check and make sure that these are pretty even. For example, I'm going to take this bead and put it into that one. It's pretty good. And then you're going to twist the top. Like that. And there you have it. You have your little corn. So if you'd like to make your own, you can always come to the library and we'll give you some beads and some pipe cleaners so that you can make your own corn decoration. Well, I hope you have fun making your corn. Thanks for watching.